I won't let you in again. The messages I've tried to send, my information's just not going in. I'm burning bridges shore to shore. I break away from something more. I'm not to love until it's cheap. Been there, done that, messed around. I'm having fun, don't put me down. I'll never let you sweep me off my feet.
A few moments later.
I'll drive you to the hospital and drop you off, that's it. Because I told you not to do it. If TJ breaks his neck and I don't record this, I'm gonna fuck you up, Colby. Oh, Carly's head was kind of in the way.
No, he can't say no to me.
I look below you.
He just moved around all the dirt. Yum.
I hurt my ankle.
Yeah, I bet. He hurt my ankles.
Look at his butt. He's trying to
It looked like he pooped your bed.
Here.